I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and if you've just purchased the new 2022 version of Samsung's The Frame TV, you might be hoping to use something called Multi-View. Multi-View lets you watch what's on the frame and your mobile device at the same time on the same screen, or it'll show you two different HDMI sources or even toss YouTube into the mix. The screen sizes and configurations are adjustable too. The previous version, Samsung Frame TV, also had this feature, but the 2022 version makes some definite improvements to how you interact with it, making it a lot easier to navigate in essence. Even so, it is a bit clunky until you figure out, so in this video I'll take a look at how to get things working with Multi-View. Now, I'm using an iPhone, so if anything, Android users will probably have it a little bit easier. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.
No more gas station sushi.
To use Multi-View, you must be in the TV feature, not in art mode. Then click the Multi-View button, which looks like a series of squares. You'll be presented with a row of menu options to choose from. You'll be able to access any streaming devices, your cable box, YouTube, or the internet, plus your smartphone too. Choose at least one source and then it'll divvy up the screen for you. From there, you can choose your particular sources or inputs. Once they're loaded, you can also change those sources too. Once you've chosen what you want on one side, you can click over to the other screen to load that content. If you want to make your phone one of the sources, you'll first need to connect the phone to the TV using Bluetooth, and there will probably be a permission option to agree to if this is the first time you're doing it. If you're using an iPhone, yes, it will work. There are two options for you. There's Airplay or screen mirroring. Airplay will let you share videos to the screen, while screen mirroring will share whatever is on the screen of your phone. In my case here, I've got my Twitter feed up. If you want to mirror your screen like I did with my Twitter feed, open your Quick Controls menu on your iPhone by pulling down from the top right corner. Then choose the screen mirroring option. If prompted, you'll want to select the frame. The first time you use this feature, particularly with a phone, it might seem confusing, but once the TV starts recognizing your device and you know what to expect, it's a lot easier. To adjust the size of each screen or the layout, just hit the center button on the remote and pick whichever window you want to adjust. There's a menu bar that'll come up at the bottom where you can then select a larger or smaller version. That is how to use the new Multi-View on a 2022 Samsung Frame TV. Don't forget to check out my full review of the 2022 The Frame or some other how-to content right here on the channel. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at Erin LYYC. You can also always catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.